In this video, I'm going to show you how to grow your business using Google AdWords, so stay tuned. So I'm on ads.google.com, and Google AdWords has been rebranded to Google Ads, and Google Ads encompasses a lot of different tools to help you grow your business. So you can bid on keywords in the search bar, like the Google search bar, and then you can also bid on keywords and videos on YouTube. You can even advertise on the display network, which is everywhere. So if you ever see those like rectangular ads on websites that are on the side that you've clicked on or that you've seen, that is where the display network is. So Google controls a lot of the internet. By using Google Ads, you can grow your business. So I'm going to show you behind the scenes at a high level on what the dashboard looks like and what are some of the tools that are built in to Google Ads. So this is what the back office of Google Ads looks like for one of my accounts. You'll log in with your Gmail that you have the account registered for, and it's going to show all your campaigns and all your different ad groups and all these different menus. And it looks like a lot at first, but really it's not too bad. I'm going to go through several video tutorials on how to actually create campaigns, optimize them, and find your target customers so you can start generating more sales and grow your business. At a high level, there's a lot of different campaigns that you could create. So if you want to add campaign, you can go after a lot of different goals like sales, leads, website traffic, product and brand consideration, brand awareness and reach. If you have a mobile app, you can promote that. And then you can also create without any guidance. I usually do website traffic or leads. So here's the different types of networks. So you can advertise on the search network, the display network. There's actually a shopping network. You can do video ads through YouTube and discovery, which is going to go through Gmail, Google Discover, and YouTube. So there's a lot of powerful networks that you can advertise through in order to get your customers' attention and start generating more sales. Now, I'm not going to create a campaign today. I'll have a full walkthrough for that. If you want me to make a campaign video just for you, for your type of business, say yes in the comments below. And give me some detail about what your business is and how you want to use Google Ads. Google Ads gives you a lot of different information about your budget, the amount of people that are watching your ad, the interactions, the impressions, how much people are watching of your video on a day-to-day basis, how many clicks you're getting, and how many conversions. You can also go in tools and settings, and there's a ton of different things you can set up here, from conversion tracking to your audience manager, where you can do remarketing and custom audiences. And if you don't know what any of that is, don't worry, because I'm going to walk you through all of that in future videos. And they have a keyword planner, so you can figure out what people are searching for, what people are bidding on, and how you can target your customers and what they could be searching for. You can track your performance, your reach, and you can look at bid strategies as well as much, much more. Google Ads is a great way to tap into networks that you haven't reached yet for your target audience. You can figure out what people are searching for. You can put ads on several different networks, and then you can get them to opt into your website and follow up through email where you can convert sales. So in future videos, I'm going to go over more of Google Ads and how you can really use it to drive more traffic and conversions to your website, your products, and generate more sales for your business. If you like this video, hit that like button. Jump on the subscribe button, slap that notification bell so you don't miss a single video from me on how to grow your business fast. Thank you so much for listening. There's a video right after this one where I'll teach you even more tips on how to grow your business fast. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.